up everyone, my name is Dylan and I'm part of the recreation therapy intern team here at Community Gatepath. In today's video, we're going to be making avocado toast. So avocado toast is a healthy and easy option for a quick breakfast or a snack, I would say. And then depending on what components you do have in your kitchen, avocado toast could be really healthy for you and it could be made in I would say a little over 5 minutes. And then yeah, so the healthiest part of avocado toast is the avocado itself. So avocado is considered a healthy fat, which means it lowers your cholesterol. However, you should eat it in moderation, not in every meal like breakfast, lunch, and dinner, maybe just one of those three. Yeah, in the next clip, I'll be showing you what materials we'll be using today. So the materials I'll be using today in my avocado toast will be avocado itself. The base will be sourdough. However, you could use a healthier option like whole wheat bread, whole grain bread, or rice cakes. Then I like to top my avocado toast with an egg. And then with the egg, I need olive oil or any type of oil to fry it. And then I like to season it with pepper, salt, and hot sauce. And then for kitchen appliances, I do have a spoon, knife, mixing bowl, spatula for the egg, and a cutting board. And right over here on my stove, I do have a little pan for the egg and then the toaster. But yeah. Okay. So the first thing you want to do before cooking anything is also wash your hands with warm water and some soap for about 20 seconds. So I'm going to do that very quickly. So we'll be moving on to the avocado part. So I like to rinse my avocado, I don't know why, I just do. And then you're going to need to cut this in half. Please be very careful if you guys do not feel comfortable cutting something yourself, and if you do have someone there with you, just ask them to cut it for you because this could be a little difficult. So you kind of just want to go for it and just make a circular motion, go around. And then just like that, kind of twist it off and should be 2 halves just like this. And yeah. Then after you do cut the avocado in half, you're going to grab your bowl and then, I'm not sure what's a better way to show this, but you're just gonna use a spoon to scoop out the avocado from its shell and toss it into the bowl. Then same thing with the other half, just scoop it out from its shell. And then in the bowl, just kind of mix it around so it's easy to spread later on. So you kind of want to get into that mushy consistency, so just keep stirring around. It might be easier with a fork, but I'm using a spoon. Okay, so you kind of want it kind of broken up like that. Now that we're done mixing the avocado, we're going to move on to the next step, which will be toasting our bread. So I'm using sourdough, like I said earlier. So just grab that, put it into your toaster. It doesn't fit that well, but it's okay. Then we'll just wait on that to toast. Okay. So while the bread is in the toaster, I'm going to be cooking my eggs. So I did heat up my pan and put a little bit of olive oil within it. You can use about like a tablespoon, make sure it's spread around. And then you're going to crack your egg. So as you guys saw in the last clip, I did crack my egg onto the pan. Now I flipped it over, and I do like my eggs over medium, which means it's a little runny and still has a little solid yolk, so it's like half and half. If you do have a better preference of over easy, which is more runny, or sunny side up where you don't flip the egg over, then that's fine too. My preference is just over medium. Now that we are done with our prep, here I do have the mixed avocado, the fried egg, and then the toasted sourdough bread, and then the seasonings on the side. So now we're gonna assemble the avocado toast itself together. So first things you wanna do is grab your base, which is the bread, and then get some avocado. Just use a spoon to spread the avocado onto your bread. Then like I said earlier, I like to season mine with some pepper. Then some salt, and then I like to put the egg on top, and then add some hot sauce for a little kick. So here's the finished product of my avocado toast. I did cut it in half after I did assemble it all together. And I did notice that I did overcook my egg. It is not over medium. I would say this is a little over hard, but that's okay. I'm still gonna enjoy it. Okay, so now that we've tried the avocado toast, I'm gonna give you guys a little nutritional background on it. Avocado toast is about 350 calories to 400 calories. That's what I found online. Depending on what components you do use on your avocado toast. You could change it up and make it a little more nutritional for yourself and add deli meats, just like ham and turkey, or you can add vegetables such as spinach or mixed greens, or even a fruit just like tomato. All those things could make your avocado toast a little better for you if you do have that preference. But yeah, I hope this video does inspire you to try avocado toast if you haven't. And I'm gonna finish this now, so I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thank you once again.